start. Blackman already got Tyler Connor nudging him on the back of the wheels there. Maycock, he does that. The Nemesis, they're both taking each other out. I think that's the way this is going to play out, the Maycock and Pratt battles and then the Connor and Blackman battles. Fortunately, even Connor didn't make it on the grid and he's out there on his own, and this will probably give him the podium position for that class for today. Alright, so Ron would be happy about that. He's done 2 laps and cleared the double both times without parachuting. That'll give him a bit of confidence. Pratty just sort of warming. Oh, as I say, he bloody gets undone and Pratty takes the inside. Oh, backs off. Ron gives it a squirt and says, you're not getting through. Pratty gives him a knock. That's a correction there. Thank you, Pratty. And it's a battle of 2 out in front here. Rob, his confidence is a little bit short. Pratty's all over the shop. Come on, Blakey. Bit quicker, mate. You got a sort of leg behind you. Alright, so that's pretty much stuff. Rob can actually have a real crack at a few of these jumps now. He's got a bit of space. Get his confidence back in the third main. It's going to come down in the third main. Rob's going super tight through there. Righto, the battle now is between Tyler Connor and Don Blackman. Cody tells me he has no oil in the shocks, no oil in the bibs, and the car drives really well apparently.
First. After 2 minutes left, the top drivers are 21 Rosnickoff, 18 Adams, and 97 Tyler Connor. Second.
Rob already coming around the back of these two. Keep tangled into each other. Got a mixed bag class next, a modified and four-wheel drive modified, 2 modified and outlaw. Oh, Tyler lets Rob through. Alright, Dom, let's see what you got. It's the only thing worth watching on track. Dom Blackman up on 2 wheels. Tyler bites in, loses a bit of time, but Dom wasn't close enough to capitalise there. Inside that, Dom goes looking on the inside. Tyler going out. Tyler shuts the door and Dom clips him again. There he goes.
Second.
And
2
back
minutes left.
on track the way they finished. Oh, there's a good move there by Blackman. Oh, what happened there? Did a donut as he went to squirt past. The opportunity was there and he's clipped it, traction rolled, luckily back on his wheels. And he's got Pratty lapping him, which Pratty would love, Dom would not like. Yeah, Maycock's checked out and gone on this one.
Fourth. First.
Brony there trying to get through one of the back markers. Dom, you got some work to do.
Second. Number laps. The top drivers are 21 Rosnickoff, 18 Pratty, and 97 Tyler Connor.
Oh, Blackman balloons it over the triple. Tyler looks like he's got this one in the bag. Is in P3. Maycock is gone.
Third. Second. Fourth. First.
Ready, there's one going to double single. Caution on the RC tabletop, all clear. Robbie, right in front of you, mate. Oh, Blackman goes through. That is unbelievable. Now Tyler's getting this is down to this last lap. Oh, Blackman muffs it up. You would not believe it.
Yeah, we would too. We've just been calling off Blackman. Blackman needs his training wheels back on that car.
First 74 done.
Lost his mojo there.
72 carry done.
Go on the inside, Tyler. Cody's on his wheel. Push him in there. Tyler's waiting for it. Oh, look at that! Cody's blocked him! Blackman got him! Tyler being cheeky on the line. Brady backs up and goes, now get by you little sputters.